The war is not over. Yes, the oil price is down from $112 to $80, which was a 29% discount. And right now as well, oil is sitting at around 27% discount. But in my opinion, the war is actually not over. But first, I want to congratulate everyone who picked the gold trade with me. We hit our TP1 exactly as predicted. I took this trade on my real account in Hyperliquid and on Bitfunded as well. You can see the live P&L. If you want to trade Bitfunded, link is in the description. But guys, all you need to do is subscribe to the channel, because this is where I gave the trade. Look at this. 6 days ago, I made the video with gold entries. 5 days ago, I talked about the gold long position as well. And all you needed to do was follow this strategy, follow this trade. No financial advice, guys, but our trade log is looking excellent right now. We've hit multiple TPs this month and one stop loss as well on Solana. So I'm accountable, I'm open, I'm making sure that all the information and data is converted into actionable alpha, guys. Now, let me talk about the main thing, which is the war is not over. Yes, it is not. You know how yesterday we were talking about the Strait of Hormuz, which is actually open because ships were crossing the Strait of Hormuz by turning their transponders and transmitters off, right? But Iran came to know about this because it went public, and Iran said that we are going to begin laying mines in the Strait of Hormuz, and there are going to be impacts, massive impacts for any ships that cross the Strait of Hormuz, whether transponders off or on. But Trump came back to Iran and said that if Iran has done something like this, then it is going to be a massive, massive impact on Iran, because we'll be bombing Iran like never before. And Trump did that. After 4 hours, Trump said that I'm pleased to report that within the last few hours, we have hit and completely destroyed 10 inactive mines laying boats and or ships, with more to follow. So there is back and forth going on, and this war is not military anymore. It's more about oil. If you actually see the data, most countries in Europe have less than 100 days of oil stocks. And this is absolutely serious, because I have already talked about this. If oil price continues to go towards the upside, the inflation will go towards the upside as well. If you've got CPI readings coming out today, but it's not important at all. It's nothing burger. Why? Because oil price is moving up right now, and this CPI reading is from last month, which is February. So oil price is going to impact the inflation for next month's CPI reading. So don't focus on today's CPI reading, in my opinion, which is why I'm not going to talk about it. But it's going to be extremely serious, and doesn't seem like there's a lot of oil, natural gas moving through the Strait of Hormuz at all right now. If you see, yes, the transponders were off, but Iran laying the mines is absolutely crazy. You know, this is going to impact the whole world, global inflation, AI stocks, risk ons, risk offs, every single thing. And you have to be extremely vigilant while picking the trades. I'm going to talk about the oil trade though. You know why? Because I believe that there is a trade in oil. You know, how is there a trade in oil? I'm just going to delete these drawings and get a trend line ready. So what you need to do is, you're on 1 hourly time frame. All you need is one line, this trend line, and this trend line is the main one. Now, what's happening is, oil is actually coiling up at the moment, and it's ready to break out, because this war is not ending. The oil war is actually not ending. So in my opinion, we had a massive drop towards the downside, and now oil is going to move towards the upside. Volatility right now is sitting at the bottom. If you go to Bollinger Bandwidth, you can see how volatility is coming back to the bottom, and there is a bullish divergence as well, which is forming on oil. So in my opinion, oil is going to move towards the upside. As soon as the breakout happens, I don't mind longing this thing on Hyperliquid. The ticker you are looking for is CL. If you're doing it on Hyperliquid, CL. All right, it's super easy. You don't have to get a brokerage account or anything. Now, one thing you need to remember while buying or selling or shorting or longing oil will be only, it's only going to be about the headlines when it comes to oil. This whole war will be dictated by the Strait of Hormuz, obviously, as I've been talking about it, right? If oil prices fall, you'll see Iran making threats, and that's what happened. Oil prices went down, and Iran literally said that we are laying the mines. And if oil prices go up, then you will see tacos, which is Trump coming out and bluffing about something. So it's going to be back and forth, and in this back and forth price action, I don't want you guys to get liquidated. Be on the right side of the market. Right now, oil is sitting at the bottom, so you're looking for more upside, because the war is not ending right now. Let's move towards the other charts though. Bitcoin is the first one I want to talk about. Still in this range, all right? This range is now 33-day long, which is just over a month, and yesterday we hit the resistance. Right now, in my opinion, Bitcoin is all right. It's towards the bullish side, and it wants to consolidate here before a nice breakout towards the upside, which is why I'm looking for long positions on medium time frame for some of the alts, not for Bitcoin though. I'm not looking for a long position on Bitcoin. I am looking for a long position on Hyperliquid. Now, why am I looking for a long position on Hyperliquid is because this is one of the best tokens on fundamentals, and it's looking super good technically as well, showing relative strength. Really good relative strength. I have a limit order ready. Look, in my trade journal, everything is in my trade journal. Super open, super accountable to everyone. The entry price is 33. I'm opening it on my real account and Bitfunded. Stop loss is going to be 31.5. All right, I'm going to show you on the chart as well. So if I put a long position, if I quickly get a long position here, wait, I actually changed my thing here you go. So if I actually put the long position over here at 33, let's say, and I get my TP as 8.5, my stop loss is going to be around 3.4. So 2.4 risk reward ratio, and how I'm entering is also a good one. So I want it to come down. I'm going to hit my limit order, but that's only going to be 50% of the position. Then I'm going to wait for the deviation, and then as soon as it moves towards the upside, which is going to be a proper fake out towards the downside, that is where I'm going to add the next 50%. All right, so 50% is going to be a limit order, 50% after the deviation strategy, which I always talk about. That's how I'm going to enter the full position into Hyperliquid. This is going to be my next altcoin trade, already ready in my journal. And the final one I want to talk about is Pump Fund, which is also showing relative strength whenever BTC moves towards the upside. So here I am looking for some more consolidation in this coil-like structure, which is also an ascending triangle, if you want to call it, or a parallel channel. So I'll show you how this parallel channel works. Here you go. This is the parallel channel I'm talking about. It's a very good parallel channel. As soon as it comes towards the downside over here, I don't mind taking a long position. This is not an entry right now, but I might give it on Twitter. But I come here every single day, guys, creating videos for 7 to 8 minutes, market updates, quick ones. So if it happens, you'll come to know, because in my opinion, it's going to take a little bit time right now. I think to mature, this trade is going to take at least 3 to 4 days. So we are all good. Just keep it in your watch list, all right? Have the Hyperliquid one ready. Keep Pump Fund in your watch list and make sure that you're following this oil trend line. And that is it, guys. That is it. We're killing it. We're killing it with the trade journal. We are killing it with the live trades. Any questions, put it in the comment section. You want to do Bitfunded? The link is in the description. And just if you don't want to do anything, press the like button, subscribe, give me feedback. All right. Let's actually take this channel to the moon, guys. And I'm going to see you tomorrow. Bye bye.